So, hello. Hello. So, hello. Hello. आता आवाज व्यवस्थित येत असावा. खतरनाक. आता आवाज व्यवस्थित येत असावा. खतरनाक. Let it go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Hello. 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 How is the sound? There is too much delay. आता now I think the delay is going. डिले केला. डिले गया क्या? या जवळपास डिले केला सगळा. So last checking. गेला गेला गेला. Delay is about 10 seconds, I think. So let's cut off all these things and start our coding. Let's go. अब अपने को कुछ काम है नहीं. So now we have to do one thing. Okay, sorry, that's gone. Problem is gone. So our next assignment is data adapter object. Data adapter object. That's I created a new website and make it as data adapter object. Next. In this we have to so now we have to do that. First we have include here our grid view to show that data into the grid view. It's only about the data adapter object, so it is so simple and small website, and there will be some mistakes will happen by me, but you have to ignore that because I don't know how to do that, but it's okay, I can do that. So double click on this page and we are going here and simply type SQL. One second. SQL connection. Is there SQL connection? No, because we doesn't include the file. So namespace, that is namespace you assign using system.data.sql client, and now we have table 2 SQL connection con equal to new SQL connection. In that connection object we have created, that is con, and we have to put here the connection from server explorer. Go to server explorer, click on the desktop, that is our server, and then go to here, that is our path for the server, and simply add here one backslash because it ignores that backslash. Okay, next we need to add a data reader. Data reader is we have to add it or don't add it. No, we don't need that here. Okay, so if is post back, not is post back, then we have to once create void get data function for that, and we have put here the void function get data, to get the data. Okay, I think view id. Let's continue. We need data table object, that's CDT equal to new data table, then SQL sorry SQL data adapter DA is equal to new SQL. As I have to say you that I put this tutorial separately once again. Now I am practicing it, so I am practicing with you. I'm first time trying all of these things, so some mistakes will be happen by me. Let's continue. After I do the stream, I will make some more videos for the tutorial, and we have to add it. We are adding it. Yeah, okay. Let me check once again the quality of the stream. That is good, 720. Then da dot fill, sorry, fill dt. Next grid view. Now we have to put this data that we get into the grid view by data source that is we have put again, that's here. Next we have to bind it for grid view. One dot data bind. So that's it. I created the one student that is by our SQL. So you have to create that table and put some records in it, and we continue directly here. Yeah, and now save and run. So we have directly moving on this page. Okay, yeah, this is all the data that we see. I put some music slow. You will not get my audio correctly, that's why. Sorry, I have to go here. Okay, now this assignment has been completed, so we have to close that and new website, and directly go here and put here okay, now we have to put next assignment is link you to object. Okay, we are here, so let's see what is this in this assignment. Here we have to demonstrate that link you to object. So to show that link you to object, we need to insert here first. Here for here, I think I have to close it. Yeah, this also. and that's it's clear, seems clear. Okay, so we have to add one grid view here. That's I added. Also I'm adding three buttons for here with some spaces made by me. Okay, and buttons names are sort, that I put ID also sort, and next is group, so I have to small group for ID and capital group for the name of the, and last is join for ID, and I put ID as well as the text of the button same because it's simple to understand and think what we are doing right now, so that's why I'm putting the same name for all of that. Okay, now we have to add new class for link you to object. So go to our project name and add here, sorry, link you to object and add new item. By clicking on that, the pop-up window will be shown here, and we need to choose one class. Where is the class file? This is the class file, and we have to rename it as stud class. Okay, stud class. We have to put it as stud class. So this is the stud class, and I have to add it. Yeah. Okay, it added here under the app code folder. Now we have to do some coding for that file. First, we don't need the constructor of the class, so we are removing that and simply add public int rno, and for rno there is a get method and set. Get and set, that are not methods but data. Get and set the data for the data, and similarly we make one more uh, class file, for the marks. Okay, that's as we made two tables for, no, we don't make two tables, but we have to create join here, so that's why we are making two class file, as if we have to group two tables, so we make two tables for that. Public int rno is a get and set. I don't need that for the same. Here is roll number, and we have to put the marks. One more thing you have to see, here int for marks, here int for roll number, same as int for roll number, and here string for the name, and also string for the subject. That's it. Is there any mistake? No. So these are the files are created by us. Now we have to go default.sv and directly we have to go into our file. Okay, now we are in the page load event, but we have to sit back, get upward, and here we need to, we are doing link queue, so we have to make list here. So we are making list public list. First we have to add the collection namespace for using the link queue. So using system dot collections dot generic, that's it, and simply put public link link I it is list, sorry, I didn't remember that. It is list, that is here we have to put the class file name, that is stud class, and get data. Okay, now what is the return value? That we have to return that return new list for the students, and that's it. Now simple here, new type namespace name could not be found, you are missing using declarative. Is it, what is this happening? I don't know, because I'm doing it first time. Let's forget it. Stud class, in curly braces we have to put RNO. Yeah, we are right, we are doing right, comma name, comma subject, that's it, and put comma, same as. Okay, for the name there will be double quotes because it is the string, and same as we have to put some more. Okay, that's it, and we have to put here one semicolon. For the semicolon it will be given as the error, I think stud class stud class error, I think it's not a b2, we have to put it stud because it is not the file name, I think so. What happened now? The namespace stud could not be found, missing the declarative. No, it is the stud class. So what is the error? I didn't find the error, but we have to find it. No, that's not the error. I'm seeing what is the error. I'm finding the error. If you find it out, then comment it below. See here, I put it the list with the student, that is the class file. Stud class studclass. Oh, sorry man, I don't put here a. See, I understand. Yeah, this is the studclaw. I forget to put here a, so that's why it will giving us error. So correct that mistake made by me. So next, as the same, we have to create it for mask also. Just uh, get data and get marks. Okay, and here it's not stud class, it's a marks. Just putting it, copy and pasting. So here is not roll number and this, so that's why it will gives us error. So we have to put here marks. Okay, I given randomly marks for the same, and also I put some more marks. No, I didn't want to put that more marks because I have 3 roll numbers for the 3 marks. Yeah, that's it. So now we have to go to the page load, and here we're writing if it's not if is post back, then you have to do some more things, where studs equal to get data, that's it returning some values, we are collecting it there. And the next, where query, I didn't put it query, but I put, yeah, query, query equal to from s s is object in studs, that's studs or other or variable. Select new, I know, that's RNO and that's the name, but yeah, we have to put here our separate RNO, we have to put separate means another name, and s dot RNO. Yeah, that's right. Here is the name, means name is the variable's name, and s dot name, that is the class file's table's name, means data name. Another, that is subject equal to s dot subject. Okay, that's done, it's done. Next, now you have to bind it with one dot data source equal to query, because our result is stored in the query, and now we have to bind it, and it's a function for the binding. Next we have to do coding for our buttons, that is we have created sort, group and join. So I have to double click on sort, also double click on group, also double click on join. So sort, group and join, we have 3 buttons. So we do some coding for this. Okay, we need same query logic, almost same. So putting here that select S in the stud, and one thing we have to add here, so first we have to sort it. So for the sort, order by S dot roll number, we have to put it descending. That's it, and all is the same. Get it? Also we have put for group, simply put here order by group, and there will be some changes in that same line. S by S dot subject, S dot sorry, S dot subject into G. So we have to put S as a G here, but we don't have a G, so from where it will becomes from, we need to see that clearly. Where is the G? Where is the G? Link you content does not contain the definition. Yeah, I know, because I know our class we don't put here the G, so that's why we are getting the error. From S in the stud, group S by subject, that are grouping by the subjects. So I need, first thing I need to put here some more students, because if we have to group it by the subject, then we need some more student. 4 and 5, here I am putting only one, and the same for 4 and 5. Okay, that's it. Now after all comes with the G. I think G is not defined here. Oh, I'm so sorry, because why we are putting here we are not getting the values, but here we are doing something other, we are doing something other things. So here only subj subject equal to G dot key, comma, count equal to G dot count. It's a function that gives us the count of the subjects that are similar or grouped by itself. Okay, Now we have to join. We have to put join. I copy that, paste it simply here, and and we have to do join. So think it on join. We are joining two tables that are in the classes that we have. So remove the group by line. So only write join m in marks, that is the marks on s dot rno equals m dot what type of one expression in the join class is incorrect to call join. Okay, I have to see something wrong. Join m in marks. What is the marks? Okay, it's our, okay, sorry, it's our file name, so we don't have to put that file name. Sorry, once again. So we have to create some more for the S marks. We have to create here one more variable for the S marks. Student mark, X marks mean student marks. Now the error is gone. So here we have to put something different now. RNO equal to S dot RNO comma name equal to, name equal to S dot name comma marks is equal to m dot marks, because the marks is in the m. And now it is done. So it's little bit more coding part. Just save it and put it means run it. Yeah, some errors will be there, I know. There will be some errors, there will be many errors, there will be not some errors. Link queue object, so we have to go to interlink queue and seeing where is the error. Is this the class in the marks? Yeah, the member size is not the same. Marks 1, I put it marks 1 because our file name is marks also, and this is also marks, so that will be conflicted and gives us error. Anyone else? Marks 1. Yeah, that is not marks, that is S marks. Is it S marks or marks? It is marks 1. It is right. And this is also what the member Names could not be same, either their closing type. But why, bro? This is not same now. It is marks and it is marks 1. Why are you giving me error? Rebuild solution. And the error will be gone. I think so. No. Rename marks to marks 1. Is it wrong? What I do now? I rename something from here to here, and now running that, and that it is run. Okay, sort, that is upside, that is group, and that is join. Okay, that is works. It 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 works. At last, it works. So this is this. So here we completed that assignment. We have to stop it and proceed towards the next assignment. I ate so much sweet. I got cola. Cola in English. What is called cola in English? Cola in English. What is the cola in English? Khokla. Cola. What is the cola in English? Cola means cup. Cup means the shambur. But cola, I want cola. Cola is cup. Caffeine. Caffeine. Yeah, listen. Caffeine. Next. We have to do something more here. Yeah. New website. Here we have to do one thing, one similar another file. For that, link you to XML. Okay, XML is the XML language that needs to write some scripts running for the website or anything else. Configuration, most of these modes of it used for configuration. All is going well. Okay, now we have to add same thing we have to do here also. Why can I don't include that in previous file? It is good to include in the previous file. Yes, it is good, but at some point this is not good. so we are doing it here only, but we are copying something from previous file because I don't need to write everything. Need name, I don't want to write. Yeah, that's it. So same as that is the same buttons. We have to group, sort and join. Yarrow UP group. Nine Yarrow UP group. That is sort. It is sort. It is. I think I put pressing the shift is very fast and releasing it before I pressing another. That's why it happened. Okay, that's joining and other things have been done. Next. What is next? Next, we have to add some XML files. As the same, we have added class files. Same as we have to add XML file. This is the XML file, and name it XML file as what we have to put it name. A good name is stud XML. But easy to identify that we are using XML file here. Okay. So this is the XML file with giving us error something like that. Okay. So we are writing something new here. We have to put means create a tag. XML basically used to create user defined tags, I think. Yes, it is, because user defined tags are really need. So we can put anything as we want the tag. That is first tag's name is student students. Yeah, students is the main tag that we have made it. Students. Okay, it's created. So now in the student there are many in the students there are many students, so we create stud, not student every time. And student having the roll number, and with the roll number 1 every student have the name as well, that is MSB, and every student have the marks, nice subject. I put only sub for the subject. Now I'm putting the PHP, and that's it. So we have to do copy paste now for the 1, for the 2, for the 3, for the 4. Okay, now need to change to here is P, and it's 3, that is this and this and this. CPP, that's a 4, MSB1, PHP1, which is 5, MSB2, and PHP. That's same subject I putting. Okay, that's it, that's done. And for the same as we created here, same thing we have to do for another. So I just copy these things and make one more. Where is our XML file? Our XML file is here now. So also I'm adding new XML file and put it as the marks XML file as the name. I here. And mouse and mouse and mouse and mouse and mouse and mouse. So instead of putting stud, I put here stud marks, stud marker. Yeah, that's it. We don't need here one more name, and we have to put here only mark MARK. Same as MARK. So same thing we need to copy. First we have to put here some marks. Now roll number 1, roll number 2, roll number 3, roll number 5, no, 4, roll number 5, also roll number 6. That's we have or not have. No, we don't have roll number 5. If you want to put, you can put. I don't want to put. Okay, that's done. Now move towards the CS file. Once again, right here using system.xml. Now we have to use xml.link you. Oh, sorry. Link you. For the same, we need to write here in this, I think in this page load event, if not is goes back in the boxes where query equal to from I think I want to create a object that store the XML files path, and no need to write every time for the file path for every time. I don't want to put the file path. So I think path equal to I would path equal to x element dot load map path, and that we have to write the path. I see our path is not going path for there will be two paths for the student for the marks path stud. So I will root path stud and put here the stud slash the file name mark. No, that's not marks, that are stud stud xml dot xml. See here, you see here the file names. Okay, that's it for the file path. I think so. I don't use it before, but I think it will be work. It will be work. I don't confirm that. X in path stud dot elements student, that is student element. We don't write the student element, but we are written at it as a stud. Okay, so write it only stud. If it is using everywhere, so we don't need to write it. Yeah, we don't need to write it here. We are putting this thing directly to here. So for our convenience, this is only for our convenience. So we did not, I don't want to write many codes, long code, so I put that there. They are here anywhere where we want. Now select new RNO equal to, that is integer format, s dot elements, not elements, it is element, and that is RNO. Is it RNO? Yes, I think it is RNO. How to put it as here also. Okay, now it seems good. Next, that is name equal to registering, so s dot element, and that is name. Is it name? Yeah, is it a name? And once again subject, that is also string, s dot element, that is sub. I think it is sub. Yeah, it is sub. Okay, so that's it. Now we have to grid view one dot data binding. First we have to source data source. We have to give the data source that is in the query, and then grid one dot data bind and directly bind at data. Okay, now it is done. It is done. So now we have to click some buttons, group, then sort, then join. Group, sort, join. So put that code here. I have copied that code. So I don't use this everywhere every time, so I put it here globally and remove it from here also. What is happen? String page map path. Object reference required to non-static method. No, bro, it is not the static, but it will be. I put it here. It is not. It is going well. Okay, I'm sorry. How to put it here? Only class system dot string. An object reference is required for the non-static field. Object reference. What is the object reference? An object reference is required for the non-static field, method or property. System dot web dot UI dot page map path string. Whenever you are going to do something different, these types of error always becomes to you. I think the error is for only this. I need to convert it into string. Is it working now? That is so bad. This will not be happening to me as well. Many times this is happening to me. Okay, forget it for now. We are putting it everywhere, and after that I will put only one thing for the all. Okay, forget it for now. We will do something on it. We don't have to waste our time. So group click. So in the group click, we need to do something different. What we have to do? Group click. We have to make a groove. So simply add here group s by add a string s dot element. The element is subject into G, and the G is for how to erase these things, and put subi jct equal to g dot key comma count equal to g dot co unt, and that's it. 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 This. Once again, I am copying this, pasting it here. Again, for this sort now, we have to only put one line. Order by int, that is our s dot element in bracket, that is our rno, and put it at DESCENDING. That's it. Also, once again, we need one more path. For that we have to create for the join, yeah, for the join, that is stud marks, yeah, and this file name is marks. Okay, element in that mark. Yes, is it mark? No, it is stud mark. So now we have to do from s in the s in the s now. Join m in path marks. It is very simple. But see, it is very simple. On int int, what is int? It is our roll number, so we have to put int, and rno equals, we have to both equal both roll number. That's it. What is this? It is rno. You have to use both different rno fields for marks as well as stored. Yeah, I using it similar for my convenience. Use as you want. Then select ouch, roll number, name, and marks. Marks from m, and marks is in the form of integer mark. I put it as mark. Is it? Yes, is it? It is. Okay, it is done. Yes, it is done. Now we have to run it. Please, God, there will be no error. Please, please. Yeah, there will be. Yeah, I know there will be this error. I know this will be, this is the only error. Well, I think I am using it as object. No, bro, my sapna is sapna. No, my dream is dream. My dream is dream. But oh, sorry, I I'm I try for that. I will try for that. I will try for that. Once again, we got an error. Failed to map the path. Okay, they are not finding the path. No, 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 no. Where is the path? Where is the path? I put this tilt symbol everywhere. I use the path before else, but I don't put tilt symbol for that. Yeah, it's working. The tilt symbol is necessary for that. You have to use it. See, all the things are going in the right direction. PHP 2 times. Yeah, you are seeing this. And the this. It is done. 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 We have 71 minutes from the starting the stream. Let me check something more. Where is the page, bro? Programming with we have the page that is programming with MSB as it names, and I put there many things. Sorry. Yeah, there will be live, and there is the 263 people are reached. Wow, it's good to see me. It Yeah, programming with MSB has liked the stream. Yo, that's the if you are liking my stream, then your name will be showing here. Did you know this? Hello. I put a comment on that, and it will be seen or not there. I don't think it will be seen. No. I want to see the quality. Yeah, it will be good. Okay. Now. Now. Is it the time to break or going forward? I don't think for the break, but I want to eat something, so that's why we are taking some break. I think so. So now we are completed some means we are completed some more or many things, many. Where are our websites? Yeah, these are today what we do. This is object 2 3, 4, and 4, 4, 4. We done 4 today. 4 and view also. Yeah, view also or not. I didn't remember, but we do 4. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for joining us. We are going well, and now we have to be close and end the stream. You will be, this is the ending, this is the offline ending, offline ending, offline ending, offline ending, offline ending, offline ending, ending. Oh, sorry. You are listening my voice in the one ear only. Many times. I will be I'll be do something different for that. I will be use it as a mono, so you don't listen in one ear only. Okay, bye bye. See you soon.